What's up YouTube, it's Mark here from NxTLvL Tech, and today we got in a Prime Day deal. So I ordered the blue Yeti microphone. I'm just starting to work more on my Android box and trying to get the quality up a little higher. I want to start doing some live streams for you guys, so I figured this was probably the next move for me, right? So we'll take a look at it, we'll do a quick unboxing, and we'll do some sound sampling as well. So as you can see here, on the bottom it shows ultimate USB microphone for professional recording, bunch of Yetis on the back, legendary ape-like creatures who roams the Himalayas. It's got a bunch of different things about Yetis on the back. On the side it shows a little bit of the picture and what it looks like. This side here has a little bit about the different settings: stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. And then there it shows you a little bit more about the structure. So we'll jump right into the unboxing here. Alright. Now hopefully you guys can see this is okay. This is the first time I'm actually trying to do an unboxing. Don't have the most elaborate setup, so forgive me if I'm out of frame or anything like that. Put that off to the side. So we got a box within a box. There we go. So as soon as we open up the box, the first thing we're presented with is the USB cable, I believe. Next we are given some papers, and we will do that. And then you can see right here is exactly what we're looking for. That beautiful Yeti microphone. Alright. This one did come in a bunch of colors, and I actually put the order through, then realized that it came with a bunch of colors. There was a nice red one that I saw, red and black. So when I started selecting the different colors on Amazon after I canceled my order and tried to reorder, they started giving me different pricing. So I went right back with this one. This is still a sweet looking microphone. And I will tell you right out of the box, it's got a little weight to it. It's got a little bit of foam stuck in there. Real smooth the way it kind of rotates there. Looks really nice. Really professional looking microphone. You can see it's got that weight to it, so it's automatically just flipping down there. So we'll take a look here. You can see it's got the blue Yeti logo. There's a mute button. Your volume control is right here, and we'll move it around to the back so you guys can see. You can see your gain control is right here. You also have your patterns, so I have to read more about the patterns, but there's different controls for your patterns. A little bit tougher of a button to maneuver. There you go. Alright, so we'll go through some of the specs, and I will be doing a couple sound tests. Obviously, for the knobs on the side, you'd kind of tighten the preferred angle that you want. So if you're going to be sitting right there and you want that angle, then there you go. So you can have it in different directions, different angles, and have it picking up different angles of sound as well too. So you can see on the box right here, you can see it has stereo. The cardioid shows you kind of the angle. So stereo is more of a surrounding, and then your cardioid is more if you're speaking in front of it. Omnidirectional is more if a couple people would be, you know, talking around it. And then bidirectional is if two people are kind of sitting across from each other having a conversation. So this is going to be really interesting to test out because it's got it's so versatile, right? Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into a couple different sound tests. I'll show you kind of some basic microphones, and then I'll compare it to this one real quick. Alright, so we're testing with a very basic headset with a microphone built in. You can hear the game audio and my audio together. I have not adjusted the gain at all. All of them are on full, and the microphone is fairly close to my face, so you can kind of see the Blue Yeti microphone. We're about 6 to 7 inches away from it. We're set to the cardioid setting, and we are testing out the quality difference. I have not touched any of the gain control within my recording device. However, the actual Yeti has a gain control built on, and it's set to about 50%. So you can see the quality difference. I'm going to go back and hear it after the video records, of course, but please let me know in the comment section down below if you guys can hear the quality difference and if this was a good investment for my future live streams and some of my box recordings. Alright guys, this is Mark from NxTLvL Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.